may be very difficult to pick this up, but this is the stone that's really captured quite a few people's imagination over the last few days. We've got a butterfly pattern, which is a fairly sort of common and repeated motif here at the Ness. In the very corner here is evidence for sort of pecking, and it looks like there are some incise marks which have essentially been erased in the form. What I'm going to do is pop over to the team in Structure 12 a little bit later on and have a quick chat with them. Right, sorry Tansy, I'll just come and bug you and have a quick look at this decorated stone sheet, because this is probably going to be the most clear that it's going to be visible to people, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's
unfortunately.
So they're so faint on the stone itself, aren't they? And you can just go through with me when you can see them.
From about 9 to 11, maybe 11:30 till about tea break in the morning, but only if it's quite sunny and kind of oblique lighting coming from this direction.
Yeah.
That then suddenly the shadows become just that little bit more obvious.
Yeah,
but yeah, even then it's really light. But
Jeez.
you know, when you do see it, it's clear how intentional it is. You know, it's not lines that happen by accident.
And this on the corner is just kind of like relief.
Yeah, so that's all pecked off in the corner, and then also round the eastern face, that side kind of in the wall face is pecked as well. And Jim was saying these little kind of lines underneath the pecking, it looks like they've incised the corner of the stone and then pecked it off, you know, kind of
cool.
Neolithic censorship almost.
Yeah. Oh, there's definitely, so this there's actually sort of incised stuff
yeah,
underneath.
and then
That's
underneath
really
the pecking, yeah. And then you can see on these ones where they've gone for a straight line, messed it up, and then had to redo it.
Yeah. It's kind of almost like Neolithic Tipex, isn't it?
Yeah. just peck over it and start again.
It is interesting. I mean, the art's gorgeous, and it's such a prominent part of life at the Ness in terms of people sort of making the decision to beautify things and hide things as well. It's really interesting. But to know that there are kind of elements of correction and mistakes creeping into the work as well, it's really cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So it's probably fairly unlikely that you're able to see those marks on that stone as we were panning across it until it was shown to you on that decorated stone sheet. But it certainly highlights the point that all of the teams that are working around the structures, especially concerning the walls, have to be so diligent to look out for Neolithic art like this, because it is just so ephemeral. In some cases it's so hard to spot.